Hello, everyone. I greet you first warmly, and I'm going to update my profile by going to it and adding a description, a photo, time zone, connecting your my badges to Mozilla Open badges, and I have to walk you through the preferences and my profile. So my profile, I have to find my profile here, and here in my preferences, you can see the user. I am here, and clicking on that button will take me in front of this page. Here, I have under my preferences user account, meaning that mine. I can edit my profile by clicking here. You can see that I have my first name, my surname, my email address. I can change it, and I have to display my email. I choose allow everyone to see my email address. This is my time, my city, and this is my country. The time zone, I have chosen this one, and I'm working for the University of Rwanda, teaching radiological physics at the College of Medicine and Health Sciences. And I have to, if I want to delete the picture, I will do this one. I have to, if I want to delete this picture, or I can update it, and or I have to upload a new picture. For example, I will click here as to add a new file. I can go, I can upload the file. I have to browse first and to go into my computer where is the picture, and let me see this one. If it is, I have to upload this file. Yes, this is new, and additional the description is mine, and I can have additional information here. I can write it, and I have to update the profile. So after that, I can go to my preferred language. I prefer using English. This is the forum preferences. It means that here by default we have this one, and let me not change anything. This is the editor preferences. This is a default one. There's other ones here, and I prefer to remain with the default editor, and I have to save. For the course preferences, I have to enable activity chooser. Here, I take this one because the activity chooser is a dialog box with a short description of each activity and resources. If disabled, separate resource and activity drop-down are provided instead. So let me remain with the default one. For the calendar preferences, here they have to display time format. Yeah, this is the default. I don't know the default one, and we can change like this one. There's no problem. And the first day of the week, I can choose Monday and the maximum upcoming events. Let me choose, for example, the 20 to maximize, and the upcoming event, look ahead, and let me choose, for example, 1 month. There's no problem. So if we remember filter settings, no, let me change these ones only. For the security keys, let me remain with the default. And for the message preferences, that if I tick here, it means that I will prevent non-contact from messaging me. No. Let me remain with this, the default one. For the notification preferences, I don't have to disable the notifications. Only I have to remain with this one. Even the self-enrollment here, the self-enrollment experience notification is offline. Let me remain with this one. Linked logins. It's like this one. It's my account is just under the blogs, the preferences for blogs. Here we have blog entries per page 10. I can change here to 20 blocks. To 20 blocks, and I can go. I'm going back. So for the external blocks, let me remain with this one, don't change. And the register an external block, there's no problem. I have to. And the badges, I can manage the badges. That are my badges from Moodle for Teachers. To share these badges outside this one, it means that we have to connect to a backpack. The number of badges, and this is mine, it means that I have one up to now. I can download it, but I have the badge preferences here. So here I have to tick this one. It means that automatically it will show badges I earn on my profile pages, and I have to save. So under badges, let me take this one. For the backpack settings, I'm not connected. It means that here, let me use my email address so that I can be connected, and I have to connect to the backpack. After sending my email address, they tell me that the user with this email address does not have an account with the current backpack provider. Let me check another one. If I can use the Outlook, let me check. I don't remember the email addresses I used, and here also they tell me that the user with this email address does not have an account there. I don't know if I have to register here. I will check. I will check if I can register here using my Gmail. Let me sign up. Email address. The Gmail. The first name is Reverina, and the last one, Daisire, and the password I put, and I confirm, and let me change the telling me that the password we have, there are some requirements for that one. Let me have this one. And I have to confirm. And sign up. It must at least 10 characters long. Okay, let me change again. Okay, I have to sign up. I'm waiting for the response. Now, I think that I'm connected. So, let me go back. And use the Gmail account. And I connect. There is a verification pending. So let me check the verification code. It's this one, I think. So I have to confirm. Now I'm connected. And I have to save changes. Wow. That's good. So I go back to my preferences. We have some the portfolios, and we have miscellaneous event monitoring, for example. And here, last 5 minutes, it means that me and Emilia, we are connected, I think. We are on Moodle. So we have open badge settings. For the backpack settings, now, why? It means that I have to connect myself here using the email address here, and I add that now. I think that now it's okay. I'm connected, and I have to set. So for the open badge passport, let me also connect myself. It's good to be connected. And I have to add. Couldn't find a user by the email address from open badge passport. I don't know how okay, it's good. Let me try it.